Okay, today is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. We're at 28640 Pardo in Garden City. As you can see, we have storm sanitary cleanouts here. This is just on the outside of the house. The sewer does go out the backyard to the city main. This is the very first street south of Ford Road. So we believe it's possible that the main is in the alleyway, which would actually be in the Ace Hardware parking lot. We're going to do a diagnostic video at this time. There's been some sewer issues. The sewer has been jetted. As you can see here, this is the 4-inch cast iron. And you can see here's where we transition to the 6-inch clay pipe. You can see here, this appears that it could be the storm tie-in up about the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock position. As you can see here, we do still have a little bit of roots here at this joint. You see, we do have a slight amount of water here. As you can see, we have some roots here as well. Okay, you can see we do have a small amount of roots at most of the joints still. We're going to go ahead and continue our televise. We are going to televise out to the city main. Okay, here you can see this is where we're looking at the main at this point. We would like to try and make a phone call. We are going to flush the toilet, run some water. We're also going to try and see if we can possibly make a phone call to Garden City DPW. Okay, we did pull a manhole that's at the alleyway and Hartel, which is the street off of Ford Road, and we did see that the sewer was lined at this point. We did take some pictures of the manhole. So we're going to have to turn this over to Garden City and have them finish having the contractor or somebody cut the tap out. As you can see, when we pull back, we do have a shift here. This is something that was brought to the homeowner's attention that they'll need to keep an eye on to make sure that that does not get any worse. That is out in the alleyway. That would require a bond. It is a concrete alley. Unfortunately, we were not able to get a location, but it does look to be around 11 feet deep. It is fairly deep sewer. We are going to pull back at this time. You will see that the piping does look in pretty good condition, other than the offset that's there. Again, you're going to see as we pull back, there's a couple of joints here and there that do have some root infiltration that was left during the jetting. It was hard to say how heavy the roots were, as we were not the company that did the actual jetting. We're just doing the video work to determine what the issue might be. The homeowner was informed that the sewer may need to be dug up at the alleyway, but for right now, our recommendation is getting the tap completely cut out and then go from there. You can see this is one of the areas where there are some roots still at a joint, and you'll see a couple of joints here as well have some small amount of roots in them. But overall, other than the one offset at the main, the sewer does look in pretty good condition at this point. This will be our final video as we pull back. Here you can see the cast iron has a little scale build up to it.